walk-in cooler double door. First off, the overall dimensions. Length of the two doors will be 62.5 inches. And the overall height will be 81.5 inches. Main lever handle for the right door. And a pulley for the left. Two keys included for the first and second cam. Coming over to the left side are two switches that's mounted on the panel of this walk-in double door frame. From the inside of the door, your pulley for opening and closing. And your bottom is your latch. Please note on the bottom of the frame, a hole must be drilled in order for the latch to operate properly. For more details about this product, visit our website or give us a call so we can assist. Thank you.